Today we have the 2024 Aprilia Tuono limited edition speed white, one of only 80 in North America. Again, just like the RSV4, it's a factory. It has the electronic Öhlins suspension with 6 different ride modes. Check out those wheels, they really pop with this bike. Also love the Aprilia across the frame. Whew. Super bright LED tail light. Bike also looks great with a fender eliminator kit. Beautiful. Let's see what it sounds like. It has the same TFT dash with, again, 6 different riding modes that you can switch on the fly. These paddle shifters over here are for your traction control, which again, you can adjust on the fly, along with the Too Fast color scheme to match the MotoGP bike. Aero elements are the MotoGP inspired rear wings, the front wing with the aero pass-through. It has the LED lights, beautiful daytime running lights. Bam. So bright. No one's gonna miss you with those. This bike does not have the adjustable height swing arm and motor or the adjustable headstock. It has the 1077 motor with 175 horsepower and more of an upright seating position. The one-piece bars, which are about an inch or so lower than the standard Tuono. Also comes with the quick shifter and auto blip. It's a beautiful bike. One of my favorites. You can rage on it all day long and still feel fresh at the end of the day. North America. This is our last one. Your friends won't believe it. Not everyone will have one. Not everyone can have one. But you can have this one. Give us a call. 303-573-6600 at Imperial Sport Bikes and pick up this one. Again, it is our last one. Don't wait. It won't last.